7,
Galing go.
Annyeong! Ay, sasabihin ko. 1, 2, 3, go. Annyeonghaseyo! Oh, hindi mo!
Tatanong sa mga.
And for our vlog, mukbang with a twist, question and answer with Engineer Elena Espiritu.
Yay!
For today's video, we have Korean food and then dessert. Tteokbokki, cheese ramen, kimbap, chicken, and then chocolate yema ube cake.
Question. What is the best part of being a mom?
What? Pwede kumain muna ako ng sausage. Huwag ako sagutin yan. Siya muna yung tanungin mo. What is the best part of being a mom, of a fur mom?
What?
Fur mom.
And I answer this question. You answer ito, mommy?
That is the kimbap. The best part of being a mom is you have a baby. A so cute baby. Next. Hello, that's my baby. Eating tteokbokki, MJ will answer your question.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I do.
Gano'n na kayo katagal?
5 years na kami naglolokohan.
At pinaka malala nyong naging away?
Oh my God.
Madami, too many. Mention one lang.
Break up. Oh no, I can't get the... Yun.
Naglaro ng naglaro ng poker. Tapos wrong strategy. Hindi nakinig sa boyfriend. Nag-away. Yan.
That's the worst?
Lahat worse.
Hindi, ang worst na yung
Uy, dapat may feedback kayo sa kinakain
Yeah.
mo.
Oh no.
Okay, question number 2.
Yung tteokbokki masyadong na-dry. Pero masarap siya. Masarap. Oh, no!
Kagulo naman ni Mami.
Oh, next question. While I try to eat this ramen.
How do you find your me time? Knowing that you have already a baby.
What? How do I find a me time?
Me time.
I think when the aunties
When
hold
the baby is asleep and the auntie is holding the baby, yeah. I watch. Big Bang Theory.
What's the most useful baby product you have?
Pampers.
Pampers! Ay, Benji!
Hello, PNG. Baka naman.
Pampers. Ayaw ng dad niya na gumagamit ng ibang brand. Trying this. Cheese ramen.
Kain mo na, kain mo na.
So, next question for Isabel. Because you're eating mukbang with us, you have to answer the question.
Let's taste the cheesy ramen.
Okay, question for Isabel. Hardest subject for you?
Smart. Smart. Algebra?
Algebra.
Bakit? Ano yung grade mo sa algebra?
Secret.
It is a fun.
Finger licking.
That is ASMR.
Sorry, open na pa to yung... Sure siya. Guys, kung gusto niyo matikman to, and it is one Korean food,
You can contact me
just
on
PM me on Facebook or Instagram, okay? Next question. Ano lang siya sa to?
Faster!
So,
Ano ko ba question na kay MK?
kasi nga nasa bookmark.
So what's your favorite ganun?
May nagtanong sa akin sa Instagram.
Okay, you ask your friends.
Yeah. There's 3 questions. I won't say who asked. Pag sabi niya ng unang question ay, uwi dito o hindi?
Oh, I think I know who asked the question.
It does, it's just not spicy.
Oh, well, depende sa iyo.
It's spicy.
Next question.
Why depende sa kanya?
Walang why. Next question is diet ka. Mga ba itong diet?
It's
Well, it's
stress
mukbang.
eating.
And then last question, my answer is yes.
What's the last question?
Secret.
Siguro ano, kung
Gusto mo na-
magpapakasal na daw this year. Yay! Maybe second baby. Yes. Tayo ay nagmumukbang. Ang ating fast talk ay food edition.
Si Meme muna. Answer dito yung pagsagot. Oh my God.
MJ, burgers or hot dogs?
Burgers.
French fries or onion rings?
French fries.
Hot tea or iced tea?
Iced tea.
Pie or cake?
Cake.
Candy or popcorn?
Candy.
Ketchup or mustard?
Ano siya bro?
Pancakes or waffles?
Pancakes.
Coke or Pepsi?
Coke. But I don't.
Smoothie or juice?
Smoothie.
Okay.
Ano?
Ito yung sabi ko. May mga yan.
Ito pa.
Ano? Wala.
Okay ka?
Pizza or pasta?
Tama.
Pizza or pasta?
Pasta.
Cupcakes or cookies?
Okay. Naisip ako.
Parang bilaw pa yung ano eh.
Savory or sweet?
Sweet?
Savory ba yan? Savory or sweet?
Sweet.
Nutella or peanut butter?
Nutella.
Breakfast or dinner?
Parang hilaw pa.
Hindi sa dapat mami.
Let's go.
Few moments later.
Hi guys. Dahil newbie vloggers here. Nalobat yung camera and we're using my S9 selfie cam. So ito nalinis na ligpit na namin yung namukbang namin Korean food. Naubos namin halos and then dito naman kami for dessert. So for dessert, we have Mommy G's ube, yema. So ube, yema, and chocolate cake. Yay! Ano ba murang-mura? The chocolate cake is spongy, but the
Tama lang yung
icing is masarap and not too sweet. So, taste naman natin yung ube. Don't rub my hair. Mami, I hate you.
you make funny big baby.
Isang nasa ng ube.
Yeah, ube siya, hindi siya basta flavor eh.
Guys, it's a meal.
Nagagalit na sa'yo.
Sorry. Okay, next! Okay.
Pawit lang yung spoon. Kunti lang. Ano?
Spoon, tsaka water.
Spoon?
Tsaka na.
Oh no! Ang sarap! Ang yama cake! Hindi siya tinipid sa yama, guys. Tingnan nyo. Here. Guys.
At saka hindi siya basta, lahat ng yema siya talaga.
Overall, masarap. Focus na namin ito. Kami. So, kung gusto nyo matikman, matry, just PM us on Facebook. Order page, Mommy Cheese. Bye!
Bye!
Hey Nas! Welcome to my YouTube channel!